The fourth market we're going to focus on is the forex market, but not all the forex we're not going to trade all the forex pairs, but only the USD forex pair that are linked to the US dollar. The reason for that, from fundamental perspective, is one, the fundamental of the US economy data can easily be found on the internet. By analyzing the key fundamental indicator, we can predict the US central bank actions and what they will be doing in the future. Are they going to raise interest rates or letting the interest rate at the same level, or decrease the interest rate? For example, based on the economy data, we conclude the economy will grow at a high rate, which means that the inflation will rise. To counter the inflation or the high inflation probable, the central bank will raise interest rates. By doing that, by raising the interest rate, the US dollar will strengthen, and vice versa. If we conclude that the economy will shrink at a high rate, which means that the inflation will drop and deflation will rise, the central bank will decrease the interest rate, which means that the US dollar will weaken. The key indicator that you must search or focus on are the University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index, which gives us an idea about the consumer sentiment about the future probable economy. The Purchase Manager Index, which gives us an idea about the industrial sector, is it growing or shrinking. The non-manufacturing indices, which give us an idea about the service sector in an economy. Is it going to shrink, or is it going to grow? And by the end, the building permits, which gives us an idea about the housing sector in the US economy. And the housing sector play a huge role in any economy. You should focus on that. You can find data on trade and economics. You can find that on that website and download the data and analyze it if you want. This is if you want to focus on the fundamentals. From the price action perspective, the second reason, the trends are clear and tend to last 4 years, and we chose those pairs. You should focus on those pairs: the US dollar, Japanese yen, USD, Canadian dollar, Euro dollar, pound, US dollar. Those are the 4 pairs that you must focus on. As you can see, for the EURUSD, we have a clear price action, and we have trend that can last for a year or 2 years on average. For the GBP US dollar, as you can see, we have the same thing. We have trend that can last for 2 years or a year or so. For the USD GPY, the same thing. We have clear price action and trend that can last for 2 years to 3 years on average. That's why I focus on US dollar forex pairs, and see you in lesson 2.